This is SharonB, Life by SharonB. I've got 5 real jobs hiring right now in 2025. Some are fully remote, others are hybrid, and all of them are legit opportunities to make money. Let's get into it. Job 1, Remote Tech Support at One Support. First up, One Support is hiring entry-level technical support representatives. This job is 100% remote in multiple U.S. states like Texas, North Carolina, and South Carolina. The pay starts around $12 an hour, but you'll also get paid training, health, dental, and vision insurance, plus a 401k. They even give a bonus after your first couple of months. Your job? Helping customers troubleshoot internet and email issues. It's entry-level, no degree required, and they provide all the training you need. A great first step into remote work. Job 2, Medical Records Processing Specialist at Healthmark Group. Next, Healthmark Group is hiring for a medical records processing specialist. This is a remote role, but you do need to live in Texas. The pay is $16 to $18 an hour, with benefits like health insurance, dental, vision, paid holidays, and 401k matching. If you're organized and detail-oriented, this is a great fit. You'll be reviewing and processing medical record requests, working in a HIPAA-compliant system. No advanced medical background needed, just strong attention to detail and basic computer skills. Job 3, Remote Customer Service Representative at Activist Connect. Number 3, Activist Connect is hiring remote customer service reps. You'll be helping employees with payroll, benefits, and HR questions. Pay starts around $7 an hour, and they offer health insurance, PTO, retirement options, and paid training. If you're someone who enjoys helping people and you've got solid communication skills, this is a great remote job with real career growth potential. Job 4, Remote Appointment Scheduler at Alliance Painting. Here's a high-paying one. Alliance Painting is looking for remote appointment schedulers based in Texas. This role pays about $50,000 a year base salary, with bonus potential on top of that. Your main job will be making and confirming appointments with clients, so strong communication and organization skills are key. This is ideal for someone who's self-motivated and wants a higher-paying remote job. Job 5, Remote Tax Preparer at Wrap Financial Services. Finally, Wrap Financial Services is hiring remote tax preparers. Here's the kicker. You don't need prior experience because training is provided. The pay is $100 to $250 an hour, depending on your workload and clients. If you're looking for a flexible, seasonal, but very lucrative remote role, this one is worth looking at. So that's 5 jobs hiring right now: tech support, medical records processing, customer service, appointment scheduling, and tax prep. Some are entry-level, others pay 6 figures with bonuses, but they're all real and hiring in 2025. This video is sponsored by Black Girl Vitamins. I use their beauty bundle, hair, skin and nails, vitamin D3, and collagen peptides with 9 grams of protein and 0 carbs. It keeps me energized and glowing. Use code SharonB45 for 20% off. Link is in the description. Which of these jobs would you apply for first? Drop it in the comments and tell me where you're from. I love seeing how global this community is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because I'm dropping new job opportunities every single day.
What is up, guys? It is your boy Tay back with yet another legit work from home job opportunity for you guys that are currently looking for remote work. And y'all, I'm back with another one. I have this company called Whatnot. Whatnot is hiring customer experience agents for the overnight shift. And guys, the pay is really good. $27.04 per hour to $31.85 per hour. And it does say that Whatnot is the largest live stream shopping platform in North America to Europe to buy, sell, and discover the things you love. So that's a little bit about this company. Guys, you will be in the customer service department. So you will be dealing with customers. This is kind of like tech support too. So you are going to have to interact with buyers and sellers, with customers, with a customer first attitude, ensuring a positive experience. You need to resolve all customer issues regarding payments, orders, shipments, and general questions with a high quality and in a timely manner. So that's that. That's a little bit about that role. Like I said, it's overnight, guys. This is 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. So 2 years of support experience handling email and or chat services. So that's what you need to have. Weekend availability is required. So they want you to work weekends, guys. Experience with customer-facing systems like Zendesk, Customer, and Intercom. So what else does it say? Bachelor's degree or college experience is preferred but not required. Previous startup experience is a plus. Great benefits, guys. It does say they have a home office setup allowance, which is really good. Monthly allowance for cell phone and internet. Really good. Monthly allowance on both food and wellness. Good. So really good benefits, guys. Really good benefits. 16 weeks of paid parental leave. Great. Really good. Again, guys, the name of this company is called Whatnot, and they are hiring for their customer service department, customer experience agents, overnight shift, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m., starting at $27.04 per hour. Go apply, guys. Also, it does say, this is very important, it does say that team members in this role are required to be within commuting distance of the Phoenix, Arizona hub. Like I always tell people, you never know what accommodations you may can get. Go ahead and apply, even though it says that, because again, it is fully remote. All right, y'all.
Hey y'all, I'm here to provide y'all with 14 or 15 work from home jobs that are hiring on the fly with good pay, okay? And for those of you who always like to scream, oh my God, where's the link, or what do I do, how do I apply? We'll post screenshots in the video all throughout of the name of the company, the position that they're hiring for, so you'll know what they look like and what the webpage look like when you do your own research. For those of you who are winning on the winning team already in my work from home group on Facebook, then you already have the link. You should have already applied because I already posted it there. I post there first before I post here. All right. With that being said, enjoy. Stack, honey. You following me yet? That's crazy. That's crazy. What you waiting on? Oh, okay.
Work from home, get hired fast. Hopefully these open when I post this. First one is with the company Conduent. You'll be a remote transaction associate making $16.50 an hour. This is no weekends, no phones. Next, we have the company Teleperformance. You'll be a healthcare customer service representative. This is entry level. You'll be doing customer support via email, chat, phone, and social media. Hurry up, get to it. Goodbye.
I know a lot of y'all been looking for a work from home job, and I'm gonna give y'all the 3 best ones that I know that's kind of hiring immediately. They'll hire you, I promise you. Long as you have like probably a good background and a good resume, you'll get hired at most of these work from home jobs. I'm telling you. And the key to getting these jobs, y'all lie on them resumes. For real. Stop acting like bougie and acting like you gotta put all the shit you worked at. Lie on them resumes. That's why a lot of y'all aren't getting nothing, because y'all just feel like y'all can apply and they need to see some type of experience. So the first one is Concentrics. Concentrics is a good job. They start you off at about $15, $16. Every 2 weeks is the pay. They are urgently hiring. Please go check for them. The second one is Cigna jobs. So Cigna, they starting off about $19, $20. Have to have a good resume for them though, because they are not going to hire you if you don't. I definitely recommend Cigna, but call volume is extremely high, so don't recommend that part, but everything else, yeah. And then the last one is Foundever. If you guys know, Foundever is a great company. They will hire you immediately. Once you do your application process, you'll get your interview. Once you get your interview, they'll be starting you up for training. Definitely recommend Foundever. That's probably one of the best jobs ever. They start you off at 16, but it go up as you go. So if you be there longer than probably like 6-7 months, your pay will go up $1. So yeah. So you guys, I'm just letting you know these are the best work from home jobs, and I'm gonna come again with another video soon.